Mommy, what this? Excuse me? Anyway, your auntie sent you this for your birthday, so you can go in your room and play with it. But make sure you take your time, because you're too destructive. Everything you mash up. Every time you get your mash up, Junior, you can't just take your time with them. Anyway, go along and play. Wagwan, me name Chucky. You want ram? But wait, what I got along in here? Junior, me never just talked to you already. And you mash up the toy already. Me tell you, say you're too destructive. How your man if you mash it up already, Junior? Mommy, guess what? The tie come to life and ask me if he want ramp. So we start ramp and then he want play one game called I the Soul. But me not in a that, so me have to done him, mommy. Me have to done him. Me not tell you if you stop tell Andrew. Me not tell you if you stop tell Andrew. For little boy, you too lie and you too destructive. You say me not buy you one next time in ya until you start behave yourself. Cause you too destructive. You know what? Me no want hear nothing from you for the rest of the night. Piss and go on your bed. But mommy, me say go on your bed, little boy. Me no want hear it.